Welcome to Workforce Manager. Workforce Manager includes a powerful charting engine to allow you to visualize the data you collect in meaningful ways. Charts in Workforce Manager will allow users to summarize and display the information captured in a form. This video will instruct you on how to leverage the charting engine to create charts, save them as personal or shared views, and utilize the View Manager to get immediate access to your data dashboards. doForms offers the users ability to build 4 different types of charts: line, bar, pie, and scatter plot charts. Depending on the data you collect, you'll be sure to find the right type of chart to meet your needs. In addition, doForms allows for the following chart methods. Total. If there is more than one data point, this will sum the values. Average. If there is more than one data point, it will average the values. And lastly, count. This will count the number of records. Between the 4 available chart types and 3 chart methods available, your company can build any type of chart that is best suited to your analytical requirements. Now let's run through some examples to show you. First, I'm going to select the form that I want to utilize. For this example, I'll select the Service Summary form. This form contains data about services provided and sales throughout the country. The first chart I'd like to build is a bar chart that tells me revenue by state for all forms submitted. First, I need to be sure the fields I want to build a chart on are available in my table. I remove the fields I will not need displayed in my table by selecting them and hitting the left arrow to remove. Then I add the following fields: state, technician, service provided, and service total. I then save these changes. Finally, I'm going to use the wrench icon to build a query to bring in all data. If I wanted, I could define a specific date range, but for this example, I'll choose all. This finds all the data. I then can select Load All Records to ensure everything has been downloaded from the cloud. I can now click Save, which will save these changes for the next time I load the form in the Forms tab. Now that my table is the way I want it, containing the fields that I will utilize to build my chart, I'm going to click the chart icon. I'm first asked to select the chart type out of the available options. I'm going to choose bar chart. For chart method, I'm going to select total because I want to display the total revenue of sales for each state. Next, I'm prompted to build my chart. I can select the x-axis, which in this case will be state because I want a breakdown of total revenue by state displayed. Then I can select the y-axis, which will be service total. I can add labels to my chart by selecting the checkboxes here. When I am done configuring my selections, I select Apply. This allows me to preview my chart. I can then save these changes and create a new view. By creating a new view, I am able to always go back to the same chart configuration and see new records automatically update my data. I am going to save this view as total sales by state. Please note, I can choose to share this view with others or just make it a personal view. You can also click on the specific item and it will automatically filter the records below to match and display the item you clicked on. Like this. If I click on Florida, only the records from Florida will appear in my table. I can unclick to revert back to all records. Here, when I click on Views, you'll see my new saved personal view. You'll see that whenever I open this, it will display the chart I created and saved on the top of the screen. Now, let's use the same data to present a different type of chart. I'll go back to my form data and I can select Line Chart with the chart method of Average, and then choose Technician for the x-axis and Service Total for the y-axis. Now I have a line chart displaying average sales of service by technician. I'll apply this and save this as a personal view as well. You can easily change between type of charts by selecting different types and hitting Apply. I'll change this into a pie chart. If I want to go back, I can change it back to line and apply that change. Now if I go to my views, you'll see I have 2 saved views with charts attached. Lastly, I can also use the Query tool to build tables that only contain a subset of data and build charts about this data as well. For example, if I wanted to see a breakdown of the most common services provided by this company in the state of Florida, I could apply a query to display only records where the state equals Florida. I can then build a pie chart where the x-axis is equal to service provided and the y-axis is equal to service total. Then, using labels, I can apply labels to the chart to show me the value and percentages of each. I then can save this view to my personal views as well. The doForms charting engine allows your company to build unlimited views and charts to present your data in the way your business role requires. The flexibility of our charting engine makes it possible to visualize the data you collect in your forms to gain rapid business insights. All the charts you configure and save to your views are always updated in real time with the most recent data that matches the criteria you selected. Remember, you can save the charts you create as personal views that are only available to your login, or you can share them with other doForms users at your company by saving them as shared views. All views that you create, with or without the chart, are always available in the Views tab of your Workforce Manager portal. Workforce Manager offers you the data visualization tools needed to make the most of the data collected in your mobile forms. With Workforce Manager Charting, your company has a complete end-to-end solution for mobile data collection, workflow, reporting, and data visualization, all in one place. To learn more about charting with Workforce Manager, or for help with any specific questions, please contact us at 855-DoForms or email us at support@doforms.com. Thank you for watching.